Best pop ads. How to make crazy profits. It's easy to use. There is no recommended minimum visitor limit, so even after you create a blog with some articles, can be registered to Popads. If the link won't open, please disable your ad block. Then copy the referral link and paste it on a new page in your browser. Follow the step-by-step account registration, then register your blog and wait one day for the reply to approve it. After that, take the ad code and install it on the webinids according to the instructions below the code. In this video, I want to share with you all about the real experience I earn $100 per month from the advertisement network named Popads. In this video, I want to share with you all about the real experience I earn $100 per month from the advertisement network named Popads. I also complete this video with a screenshot of my income, tutorial how to register, and tutorial how to put the ad code in Blogger and WordPress. According to my personal experience that has used various advertising networks, I dare say that is a popunder ad with the best rate I've ever tried. It can even be the best alternative for new bloggers as a substitute for Google AdSense because the website approval system is very easy and fast. This experience started when I had a website wallpaper whose content I get from various zero copyright or Creative Commons zero sites. Over time, my website started to get a lot of traffic, reach 5,000 unique visitors per day. However, the obstacle I face is my website can't be monetized with AdSense because it will be rejected. After trying several ad networks like Yelix and PopCash, I finally tried Popads, which makes me very satisfied because the rate is higher compared to others. Here is a screenshot my earnings for 56 days. Here is a fresh report on Popads income that I took from the last 4 days. From an average of 5,000 visitors per day, I get impression range 2,500 and 2,800 and rate range ranges from $1-1 United States dollar and 40 cents per 1,000 impression. The range of daily income that I get is around from $2.79 to $3.2 US with a monthly income of around $9,100 US. What's more interesting about the Popads payment system is withdrawals can be made at any time and the minimum withdrawal is only $5. I personally always draw once every 3 to 4 days when my balance has reached $10. For you who are interested in using Popads, here I complete some tutorial show to register and how to use it. How to register as a publisher on Popads. The first step. Please register on the Popads advertisement network. After that, you will be presented with a registration form. Like the picture below. Please fill in the data in the form below, as complete as possible, consisting of a username, password, email, name, account type, publisher, and mobile number. When finished, please click register. After registering, please confirm your email according to what was registered at sign-up by clicking the activation link they sent via email. Then, after the activation process is complete, please log in with your username and the appropriate password at the time of sign-up. After entering the Popads dashboard panel, please click the New Website button to register a website blog, which will be monetized. For details, please look at the image below. After clicking on New Website, then the display will change like the form below. Fill in the complete website data consisting of from the website, title, site URL, description of your website, the category of the website, and which ads are allowed to appear. After filling out the form above, please wait for approval from Popads. Maximum 1 by 24 hours. Usually your blog website will approve as long as the blog already has content. How to install Popads ad code. After your website and blog has been approved. So now it's time to enter the Popanda ad code. Please click the code generator on the left of your Popads dashboard as shown in the image below. Happy earning dollars from Popads. Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share. We will be back soon with more videos.